Hey you guys, what is up? I am Bakari Shanae and I am back with another video. If you want to know how I got this look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. As always, don't forget to comment, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Alright, so starting out, I'm going to prime my eyelid using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just going to put that all over my lid and blend it out with my finger. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Mean Money and Hustler Baby, and I'm going to put that right on my brow bone and give it a little highlight. Now I'm going to go into my Sephora Pro Editorial Palette, and I'm going to take the color Crisp, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. In the same palette, I'm going to grab the color Dina, and I'm going to put that right in the crease as well. Going back to the color Crisp and Dina, I'm going to mix those together and put it right on my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to put some concealer on my lid, look up, and that's how I know where exactly to cut my crease. But that's what I'm going for. I'm just going to cut my crease with the concealer. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Glitter Bomb palette, and I'm going to take the color Splash, and I'm just going to put that right on my lid. I'm going to use my LA Splash eyeshadow base and sealer, and I'm just going to put that on my lid because I'm about to apply some glitters. Now I'm going to take some stackable glitters that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to mix a teal and a green, and I'm just going to put that right on my lid using my finger. Now I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and put that on my top and bottom lashes. Lastly, I'm going to take my Eye Lure Vegas Nail Lashes in Grand Glimmer and use my Duo Eyelash Glue, and I'm just going to put on some falsies, and that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Bye!